It's 2024. Here's a complete guide on how to create your YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be discussing on how to create a Google account, a YouTube channel, and if you hang on till the end, we'll be giving you two very interesting tips on how to become a better YouTuber. So let's get started with the video. First of all, you'll have to log in to youtube.com. Now, you've probably already signed in from your personal accounts, and we suggest that you create a separate Google account for YouTube channel purposes, right? So if you have already signed in, make sure to click on the profile icon like that, and then you will see the sign out option. Click on that. Once you have signed out, now the profile icon will be replaced with a sign in button like this. Click on sign in. Right, so now click on create account. Now you get three options for my personal use, for my child, or for my work or business purposes. So if you plan on creating a YouTube channel to generate a business, make sure to click on the business option like that. All right, now you have to input your first name and then your last name. Click on next. Enter your birthday. Yes, like that. And plug in your gender. And then once again, click on next. Once you've done that, enter an email address of your choice. Now you'll have to verify your account using a mobile number. Once all of that is done, make sure to input an 8 or more character very secure password for your Google account. Once all of that is done, we are good to go and create a YouTube channel. Once you have created your Google account, click on the profile icon. Okay. Now there is the option create channel right below the profile. Click on create channel. Okay. So you might have already decided a name for your YouTube channel. Make sure you plug that in right here under the name. And the @ handle is also present right below that. And then click on create channel towards the right bottom corner. And ta-da! You've just created a YouTube channel of your own. Congratulations and welcome to the YouTube family. Why don't we celebrate this by subscribing to our channel and hitting on that like button. That's all about creating a YouTube channel. And here's your bonus tips, ladies and gentlemen. So do this to increase your CTR or click-through rate. So click on your profile picture, and when you scroll down, you will see YouTube Studios. Click on YouTube Studios. This right here is YouTube Studios, and this is your dashboard. If you scroll a bit down and towards the bottom, you'll see settings. Click on settings. All right. Once you're done with that, click on channel. Right here, see channel, click on that. And you have basic info, advanced settings, and feature eligibility. What you have to click on right now is feature eligibility. Let's do that. All right. So here you see three features. So the standard features are already enabled while the other two are not yet. So make sure you click on intermediate features. See, you can see without enabling intermediate features, you won't be able to make videos that are longer than 15 minutes. You won't be able to customize your thumbnails, and you won't be able to live stream. So make sure you verify your phone number and enable these intermediate features. All right. That's tip number 1. Tip number 2, customizing your YouTube channel. Once again, head on to YouTube Studios, and when you scroll down, you will see the customization option. Click on that. Okay, now you can see layout customization, branding customization, and basic information, right? Those are the three types of customization that can be done in YouTube. So if you go to layout customization, we can see that you can leave a channel trailer for your new subscribers and a featured video for your returning subscribers, which is not actually mandatory. But when you scroll a bit down, you can see featured sections. Now that is important. You can add sections like live now, past live streams, upcoming live streams. You can add sections like that. And also you can remove sections that is not necessary, like here. right? So once you add these featured sections and work on these featured sections, this adds a whole lot more order to your YouTube channel. And this increases your discoverability. So make sure you do that. And moving on to branding customizations, this is where you can upload your profile photo. If you can see, they have given all the necessary requirements. For example, look at the profile photo. It's 98 by 98 pixels and 4 megabytes or less. See, all the requirements are right there, ladies and gentlemen. You can use that. And banner image. This is what a banner image looks like. If you want to add a banner image, you can do it right here. The necessary requirements are also mentioned: 2048 by 1152 pixels and 6 megabyte capacity. So if you want to add a video watermark that is there in all of your videos, you can also do it right here. Video watermark. Now comes to the most important part: basic information. Make sure you take your time and work on the channel description. Make sure you input and enter a very informative description so that your viewers will have a clear idea about your channel. And this will really help with the retention rates. If you scroll a little bit down, you can see that you can add the URL of your other social media platforms. And even you can leave your contact information like the email address right here. And there you have it, a fully customized YouTube channel. And don't forget, if you need any help with your YouTube journey, make sure to click the link down in the description and join with YouTube Automation.